The first thing we're going to do is add our rigid body 2D. And we're going to take gravity and we're going to set it at 0. Otherwise, our player, as soon as we hit play, will immediately fall down. So we'll take care of that bit of business, and then we'll come down and add component, and we're going to add in a box collider, 2D. And you can see as I zoom in here, the box collider is not quite the best shape for this object, and the lines go all the way around. And the next thing, I'm going to remove that component by clicking on the gear and clicking remove component. I'm going to try a circle collider now. And once again, the circle collider is not the best type of physics to use, so we'll remove that component. The one I think that you're going to use if you have a difficult shape will be the polygon collider. And once you have your polygon collider in, it tries to figure out the shape. It doesn't always do so well, so if you click on this Edit Collider button underneath Polygon Collider 2D, you can click on the green lines and drag them into certain areas, and also click and create points that you can then use. So you're actually creating more points as you click on the line and drag. Here I'm going to click on this point and just drag that in. Get it where I want it and click, drag that point. And drag this point right next to it. So you can see that I'm starting to just follow the shape. Also going into fast speed here, but clicking and making points, moving certain points already there. Here's a close-up to kind of show you a little bit better what's going on. Again, it's just all clicking and dragging to create a box collider that will fit my shape a little bit better, and that's using the polygon collider. Once we have our polygon collider created, we're going to need to add our movement to our player. And in the last assignment with the 2D UFO, you spent a lot of time creating a player controller script. So we're going to take a shortcut and just use that same script. We're going to add later onto this script. I want to come down to our smiley face finder, the blue finder, and we're going to go into the desktop, find your 2D UFO game, go into the assets folder, and find the player controller.cs file. This is your script, and this is going to allow us to use that same information that we've already done and already typed up, and we're going to use that by clicking and dragging this right to our project window. So here's my player controller. I'm now going to click on it, and I'm going to drag it till I see the blue line over here in my inspector. And here's our player controller script. Make sure you set your speed to a number higher than 0, otherwise you won't notice any movement. And then you're also going to notice that you have your count text and your win text slots ready to go. We'll be creating those later.